Hi guys, I'm Ayansh and today we're gonna be making a custom vase with a name on it. So let's get started. First we'll go to makerworld.com, which is a site where there are 3 designs. Here, see, you can see a bunch of 3 designs here by some random people. And at the top there is this thing called Maker Lab, in which we can make our own designs. There are like some AI tools and some normal tools. So here we're gonna click on Make My Vase, and here you can either create from blank or take a new project. Both do the same. And we'll come here. So here we can just experiment around with the vase, make it a bit taller here, a bit shorter, bit taller, wider, all that stuff. You can choose a vase that you like. Then here there's this cross section. See, you can make it up look polygon like this vase. I don't know, some people like this type vase, or some people like these vases. I would like a vase like this. Yeah. Anyways, or you can make it like vase where you can make it straight, like pointy, or smooth. Smooth ones are just smooth, pointy ones are pointy. See, you can try. And then here there's this free shape that's basically just a random weird shape. You can keep re-rolling it. You can use all free or you can use some uniform. I like the all free personally, like this. I don't recommend the free shape with the name vase, but as you choose. Anyway, I'm gonna make mine a polygon with just 8 sides, because that's the way I want it. Next, here you can twist it like look at my vase and see, you can twist it by some angle. I'm going to twist it by an angle of minus 180. I want to twist it by 180 degrees, as you can see here. It looks pretty nice to me. Next, this is effects. You can make it low poly, which is not recommended. Voronoi, it won't work with Voronoi, and you can use strip. So basically you can use strip. Low poly is not recommended, even though you could use it. Single or double strips, you choose. You can choose the way, all the stuff. Okay, now here there's a spiral vase mode. I'll show you guys at the bottom, or normal vase. See, normal vase, we recommend using normal vase. I mean, because spiral vase, the thing with spiral vase is it's really thin. You can use normal vase or spiral vase. I'm gonna go with spiral vase because it's easier to design in that. So we'll just actually use spiral vase. Yeah, no need of normal vase. We'll use a spiral vase mode. It's easier to design in spiral vase mode, but in normal vase it's kind of hard. So we're just gonna go with the spiral vase. So once you've designed it here, you can download it. You can download the STL over here. We just open up, like mine is vase draft 8. You can give it a name here if you want. Not important. Then we're gonna go open Tinkercad and create a new project. So I'm gonna call this project custom name vase. Custom name vase. Okay, so first you have to go to import button over here, choose a file, choose the one that we just downloaded, and you can export it into millimeters. Okay, it's just importing. It takes a bit of while sometimes. This will explain what I'm gonna do. Okay, so basically, yeah, we get this giant vase here. Okay, you see it, everybody sees it, right? Very clearly, I'm pretty sure. Anyways, I just did some checking. So this is big, right? We're just gonna scale it down a bit. Like, wait, right now it's 145.55, 145.54. We're just gonna neaten these out. I'm gonna make this 140, and I'm also gonna make this one 140. Just average around the measurements. Like 187, I'm gonna make it into 180. So we have this. Now I'm gonna scale it down a bit more. 180, I'm gonna divide it into half and make it 90. 140, I'm gonna make it into 70. Remember how much you're scaling it. Like, say I divide it into 2, all the dimensions. I divide all the dimensions into 2. You can choose a color. I'm gonna go with this nice blue here. It's just so good. Okay. I don't know why this price is called. Like, it's just a bit too detailed here for some reason. There's a bit of error. I don't know. That sometimes happens. Not important. It won't look like that if you print it. Just saying. Okay. Next thing. So first we've got this design of ours, right? Next, we need to take some text here. Whatever name you want. For my name, I'm gonna write Ayansh. Okay, and I'm gonna use any font you like. Now, check the width of a thing. Like mine width is 70. So first things first, we are gonna round this name off. Like instead of 97, I'm gonna make it 100. Okay, and instead of 27 I'm gonna make this 30, round it off a bit, right? Now this is 70, so we need something approximately like 50. Okay, take a good guess, like 100. I'm gonna divide this into 50 by 15. This is like my name here. Next thing, we have to rotate it by 90 degrees and put it up there, right? So now we can put it anywhere we want our name, like see here in this vase, it's the height of 90 degrees, right? I mean 90. So this name, we know it's a height of 15, so 90 minus 15, easy, right? 75. I'm gonna put my thing here, see, you can just move it there and then you can see like that. Next, you're gonna use the align tool, select them both, use the align tool in the top corner and align their middles and their sides and their middle, both their middles I mean, and the tops are already aligned. Yes. Then you can move it around wherever you want. Okay, perfectly good job. And this point is I'm gonna move this. Now I'm gonna align these again because I aligned them wrong accidentally. They have to be sort of like this. See? Yeah. Okay, that's it. Now we're gonna move them here. Yeah. Next step, this is because its length is 70, I'm gonna make this text 45 like this. So here I'm having some trouble because on the top of my vase isn't that wide, so I'm gonna make my name a bit smaller. Instead of 50, I'm gonna turn it into 30. Okay, this for my name. Instead of this 15, I'm gonna turn it into 8. No, I don't think 8 is good. I think a 9 maybe. Yeah, a 9. So now I'm gonna move this up again because it's not aligned, and now we'll realign it. See, you just have to do some trial and error until you find a thing that you like, and then you can just group in. After I'll show you the next thing. Just a second. Okay, next we'll align these again. Oh, I forgot one thing. See, we're supposed to make the size of the text the same. Here is 70, so this also has to be 70. The text, not 45, sorry. And now we'll align it. We align the middles, and yeah, we align both the middles, and then we'll have this like something really weirdish like this, right? Okay, so next step, like from here, now this corner we're gonna make it 45 like this. Good. Now we can all remember, see over here, make my vase, the top part is 109 mm for me approx here, so I'm gonna just, it's not important exactly how much. See, you can just take it and just go around, you can just try it out. Just make sure you don't modify any other values. And I'm gonna call this from 35, but I'm not gonna make sure this is just still 30. Okay, I'll make this 34. Yeah, I think 34 fits perfectly for me, like this. I like it this way. You people can check which way you like it. I'm gonna make it 33 actually, not so. Okay, let's try 35. Okay, I like this one. Next, I'm just gonna group them and I'm done. See, it's ready. So now you'll have a vase like this. You're thinking, shouldn't have a hole in it? Where it should. So this is, we have explored in spiral vase mode. So here this basically means you have to use a special printing mode. So basically what you do is export it as an STL to print it, assuming. Okay. Then you open this app, whatever slicer you have, and you put it in there. I use Bamboo Studio, so I'm just gonna open that. Just a second. Till then I explain. Spiral vase mode, basically what it does, usually 3D prints it done layer by layer, okay? So but spiral vase mode, it does it in like spiral. So basically, yeah, that's it. You can just, in a slicer, there's a special setting called spiral vase, and you can just do it. Bye.